Economic systems. Economic systems describe how economic decisions are made by a connected population. There are three main types and a combination type of economic systems we're going to go over. And the two pure economic systems describe sides of a spectrum. For example, no economy is a pure command economy or a pure market economy. Rather, a mix of ideas from both sides of the spectrum are usually used in most economic systems. For example, if we put the market economy on one end of the spectrum and we put the command economy on the other end of the spectrum, most economies lie fairly close in the middle. We wouldn't call them pure command or pure market, but rather they describe ideals of a complete market system means that there's no government intervention, and a pure command economy means the government is in control of all of the natural resource and all of the production decisions made within that economy. All of these economic systems revolve around the three fundamental questions in economics: what to produce, how to produce it, and for whom to produce. In a command economy, the government has control over those three questions. In a pure market scenario, the market or private enterprise or people, producers, consumers make those economic decisions. In a traditional economy, it's based on tradition, and mixed market societies decide how much government to put into it and how much to be left to private enterprise. But this is the main focus of all of these economic systems. The first type of economic system is called traditional economy. It is a family or community unit, functions as an economic system. They rely on customs, rituals, or traditions to make economic decisions, and the examples would be various tribes around the world. The second type of economic system is called command economy, sometimes referred to as pure command economy. And what that means is all economic decisions are dictated by a central authority, usually a government. Some examples that would be closer to what we would consider a command economy, pure command, would be Cuba, China, USSR, North Korea. Those economies we usually refer to as being communist or socialist in nature, because the economic decisions are largely made by the government, not by private entrepreneurs. The last type is a pure market economy, sometimes just referred to as the market economy, where economic decisions are made by private enterprise or relies on consumer action. Japan, United States, those countries we consider capitalist economies, that's kind of the examples, although we would not say that Japan or the United States are market economies or not pure market economies. Rather, they are the fourth type, which is a hybrid between market and command. We would say for the most part that most countries around the world are what we would consider mixed market economies. They take the ideas of the market economy of private enterprise and mix it with government oversight or government intervention. Economic system that combines elements of pure market and pure command systems. For example, the market system may allow private businesses to make production decisions, but the government may require food labels to be placed on all food items for the betterment of society. And so the examples would be most modern economies, because the government does have oversight in a lot of these areas.